Good morning and welcome to this week's Dean's Corner. We're very fortunate in the College of Business that we have several centers that provide different opportunities for our community. One of the ones that I really appreciate is the Maygarden Center for Financial Literacy. It provides financial counseling for students, for staff, for faculty, and for the community. A lot of exciting things going on, and I have Rachel Linn with me today, and I thought I'd ask her a couple of questions. So what's been your impression working at the Center for Financial Literacy?
Honestly, it's been really great. I love meeting with the students, coming in whether they have questions about what they should be doing to stay successful or to help them get out of the situation they're in. It's been really cool to hear the ideas from the students, and actually really encourages me for the future. So that's cool.
I think one of the things that's gratifying for me is that different institutions and donors support our work, and as a result of that, oftentimes we have programs. Do you have anything scheduled in the next few weeks coming up you could share with our viewers today?
Yeah, we do. So Gulf Winds is sponsoring a workshop for first-time homebuyers. That will be on September 19th from 12:30 to 1:30, and we'll provide free lunch, of course, and it'll be in the Conference Center. In October, we're planning a workshop with Panair on investing, and in November, we're doing another workshop with Gulf Winds on how to finance and shop for a car. So we have a lot of really good workshops coming up.
That's exciting. So all of those are on the Conference Center on campus here?
Yes, and all of the information will be on our website, and we'll send out notifications.
Thank you very much. You do a great job, and I think we make a difference in a lot of people's lives. And I think the only disappointment is that we want more people to know about us, so we'll have an opportunity to help other folks. So again, Rachel, thank you very much.
Thank you.